Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months.
Sanbonani Dumelang, hello, my name is Malwande and welcome to my channel. Girl, have you ever taken down your braids and then you just don't wash your hair, but then you have somewhere to go and you need a plan that you need to make really quickly, really fast? Yeah, that was me. So, this is the plan I came up with and let's get into this tutorial. First things first, we need to get these edges right. So I'm going in with the Scarlet Hill Strong Edge Wax as well as this edge brush that I was gifted with, but you can get it at any cosmetic store. Now, I'm not really big on laying my edges every time, but you know, for this style, I just want to put in a little bit of more effort, but also without doing too much. Anyway, it is your edges, lay them as you wish. Then we're going to go in with a base. This is simply to flatten the hair. It was also kind of a cold day, so I wanted the extra warmth. You can use a wig cap and a sock. Now, let's get into these leggings. These are leggings that I've had, I think, for now 3 or so years. And to say I wore them, I mean, look at that hole. These were worn properly, okay? And that's all you need, just your good old pair of leggings. You can use a different color one if you want. We're going to start by taking the back of the leggings and put that at the back of your head. What you see me doing here is just tucking in the opposite end into the front. There we go. There we go. I'm tucking in the back into the back to make sure that the elastic part of the leggings are hidden, but also this is my way of securing it so that it does not move around throughout the day. Then we're going to go in and carefully tuck in the sides. Now onto the front. We're going to use the two legs as basically the two sides of a head wrap like you would usually do. And in today's hairstyle, we're just going to twist those two together and then we're going to wrap them around until you have the desired look that you want. If you do it the first time around, you're unhappy, take it down, twist it again, and place it differently. Then you want to tuck that in. Recheck yourself, make sure everything is tucked in properly. Are your edges actually showing? Push that dick back a little bit if you want. Now on this day, it was the Sunday just before Heritage Day in South Africa, so I brought out my Zulu girl beads, and just like that, we are done with this head wrap style. Perfect for your picnics, lunch, date, mommy play date, wherever you're going. And rock it with pride. Rock it with pride. In the comment section below, let me know, where are you from? What's your heritage? Do you care about your heritage? Are you a fan of dukes? And will you be trying this hack? Thank you so much for watching, and I will